In this video, we're going to be discussing a Canvas course homepage. I've designed a Canvas homepage that is unique to this tutorial. However, it's important to keep in mind that every course homepage that you have will be unique to that course. So you can take some time before your course starts, if possible, to become acquainted with that course's homepage as well as Canvas site. So you spend more time learning and less time navigating the logistics. So let me show you a few of the buttons and unique designs that may appear on your Canvas homepages that you'll see throughout your courses here. First, we're going to start over here on a left-hand menu that will appear when you're inside a course homepage. While you may see a large number of different tabs here on the left-hand side, not all of them will be visible for each course. However, I'm going to go through some of the main ones that you may see in a variety of different courses. Each instructor can choose which ones will appear for their course. So it's important to become familiarized with which functions they provide. We've already briefly discussed the announcements. Announcements is where an instructor can send a course-wide communication. Assignments will have the assignments specific to your course. Within the Assignments tab, you may also see Quizzes. Quizzes has a separate tab. However, any quizzes or exams that are relevant to the course will also appear in your Assignments tab. Next are discussions. Sometimes an instructor will use a discussions tab if there may be posts and want to have the course engage in discussions maybe around a reading. Next is the People's tab. The People's tab shows all of the different people that are involved in the course. This will include students, staff, teachers, and teaching assistants. Additionally, on the People's tab, you can see the groups that you are involved in if the course has groups. Another important tab is the Syllabus tab. Not all courses use this, but many do. The Syllabus tab will have a syllabus posted. This may be the paper syllabus that you receive at the beginning of the course, or it may have a piece of the syllabus that is specifically relevant for all students. Lower down, you'll see that there are a few other pieces. One is the library reserves. If there are specific books that have been put on reserve for your class, this will be a great place to see those settings. Additionally, some courses at the Harvard Chan School have been recorded. If your course has been recorded, a separate tab called Lecture Video will appear on your left-hand menu. You'll be able to view your daily lecture videos there. Now let's return to the main part of your Canvas homepage. Over here on the right-hand side are upcoming. These mean that there may be upcoming assignments or exams that you'll want to keep a note of. You can also view here a special calendar tab. What I want to draw your attention to specifically is that this course has specific buttons that have been designed. Other courses that you may have here at the Harvard Chan School may also use a similar type of function. As you've likely seen, none of these buttons titles correspond to the left-hand menu titles. That means that there is unique content that has been organized within these titles of the buttons. So we recommend navigating and exploring through these buttons while also utilizing these left-hand buttons. Your faculty member and instructor likely has a reason for utilizing these buttons as well as your left-hand buttons that you have. So make sure to become familiarized with both. That's all for now.